What's good, everybody? Welcome back. So today it is a quick little video, and on this vehicle we are bypassing the AC compressor. So what we are going to need is a pulley just like this one right here. This one is for a 2003 Ford Expedition with the 5.4, and one of the part numbers is this one right here, and that's for the pulley, and it's gonna look just like this with these little grooves. And the other one is gonna be this one right here, and this is just the belt. So that pulley that I took out, which is this one right here, that one was located here, and the only bolt for this one is a 13. I've seen the other videos out there that you only need a belt, but on this one, since there's not a pulley right here, and that's the only difference, but if yours doesn't have a pulley right here, then you're gonna have to do it my way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this pulley on and then route the belt and then show you guys. One thing the other videos don't tell you, and I've done this before without doing this next step that I am gonna tell you guys, but it is gonna be up to you. And if you guys been watching my videos, I don't like to struggle too much, so I went ahead and did that extra step. Before that, I do want to show you guys how I routed it. So it's gonna go from the main pulley up to the water pump, down to the power and steering pump, up to the alternator, to the pulley that we installed, and then to the tensioner pulley, as you guys can see right there. You can go ahead and pause it if you like. If you guys do have trouble trying to put it on, because it is going to be a pain, one thing I did forget to tell you guys, the tool for that, it is a 1/2" ratchet, and to loosen up the tension, it is going to be to the right, basically going to the water pump. Another thing that you guys are gonna need is a pipe like this, or a little bit smaller, whatever works for you guys. So what I did on this one, went ahead and loosened these two bolts for the alternator. After that, I went ahead and took this bolt off right here and loosened these two up. All these are gonna be 10 millimeters. So once you loosen up all these bolts, whenever you loosen up the tension, you can basically put the belt from here to the alternator instead of putting it from this pulley or the tensioner pulley, because those are going to be a pain. After that, just go ahead and bolt everything up, and then you should be good to go. If it's your first time on my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment if you have any questions, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.